Hello students, welcome to Spectra Education Academy. In this video, I am going to explain few more applications of Newton's second law of motion. The first one is, let F be the force acting on a body of mass m1. Its acceleration is a1. If the same force acts on the other body of mass m2, its acceleration is a2. If two bodies are combined, if these two bodies are combined, and again same force applied, so the acceleration of combined mass so let us try to understand like this. Body of mass m1, force applied F, its acceleration is a1. Second body, you take mass m2, but same force applied, its acceleration is a2. Suppose body combined means like this. So this is m1, this is m2. Same force once again applied. Right. So what is the acceleration? A is question mark. Right. So one thing you can write, the total mass m is equal to, you can write m1 plus m2. We know that F is equal to ma. Now m can be written as F by A. Keeping this in mind, now m is going to be F by A. Now we can write m1 is equal to, same force applied means you don't need to change F, A1. So therefore F by A1 plus similarly F by A2, because m2 is equal to F by A2. So therefore, if you simplify this, F by A, you will get here LCM as A1, A2. Take out common F. So therefore, A1, if you multiply with A2, you will get A1, A2. So therefore, you will get A2 here. A2 multiplied with A1. So therefore, you will get A1 here. Then you will have to cancel F and F. So you'll get acceleration as A is equal to A1 A2 by A1 plus A2. So there is a numerical on this equation. So let us proceed with another application. If a gun firing n bullets, each of mass m, with velocity v per second, the force required force required to hold the gun is. So there will also be numerical based on this. So we know that F is equal to ma. First let us write this is going to be, let us write Newton's second law first. It is dp by dt, rate of change of momentum. Now we can write that m into v by dt. So we can write this is dm by dt. But n bullets each of mass m. So therefore with v. So while doing numerical, we directly write this as n by t with m into v. Even you can further simplify this n by t itself can be written as n into. So indicates that n indicates that number of bullets per second. Number of bullets per second. So this they mention in words. So there will also be numerical on this step. Now let us proceed with another application. There is a plate of mass capital M is floating in air and by firing number of bullets onto it from the gun so n bullets are fired from the gun per second. Velocity of each bullet is v. If bullet rebounds after hitting the plate, then so what we can write is, just imagine this is the plate, so its weight acts vertically downwards, due to which it moves down, but it is restricted not to move down by firing bullets in the upward direction, n bullets per second. Mass of each bullet is v. So this is from second law, and so F is equal to, once again we can write dp by dt, dm by dt first with velocity, because velocity of the bullets is constant, but they are coming back. So that keep this in mind, v minus u, because bullets are coming back in opposite direction, hitting with u, coming back with v. So there is also change in velocity, n bullets per second. So therefore n by dt with m and v minus u. So therefore u and v are opposite in direction. In case magnitude of velocity is same, so what we can write is force. This force is what here. So this mg is balanced now. This mg is balanced with the force by the bullets. So this is a force applied by the bullets is balancing weight of the plate. Then n by dt with m into v plus u. So if you consider magnitude of v is equal to u, then you'll get v here. So this is 2v into m n by dt. So there will also be numerical on this step. So in particular, this step mg is equal to 2v into m n by dt. Students, in my next video, I'll continue with the numericals based on this equation. this equation and this equation. So you can even express Newton's second law like this. F is equal to ma. Even a can be replaced with v square minus u square by 2s. So if they mentioned body starting from rest, if body starting from rest, so you can write v square by 2s. So there are different ways to express force. So there will also be numerical on this. So I'll continue with the numericals in my next video. Don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends and relatives.